Hey, what's up guys, this is Gaurav and this is the unboxing and first look of Honor 9 Lite. Honor 9 Lite is sold via Flipkart in India and this is a midnight black variant with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. This phone is powered by Kirin 659 processor and comes with Emui version 8.0 with 3000 mAh battery inside. The price written on the box is 13,999, but you can get this phone for 10,999 in a flash sale on Flipkart. Opening up the box, you get Honor 9 Lite, and let me quickly boot it up and keep it aside. You also get a phone cover in the box, and that's a good thing. You also get a micro USB cable and a charging brick, and there is a SIM ejector tool as well. First thing that you will notice that the device has glass on back as well, which makes the phone a lot more shiny and a lot more premium. It doesn't seem to be a 11,000 rupee phone at all. Glass on the back is so reflective that you can actually see the background in it. It also has a dual cameras on the back along with a secondary microphone and a flash. You also get a fingerprint sensor and Honor branding at the bottom. On the front you get 5.65-inch screen with 18:9 aspect ratio, dual cameras and an earpiece. On the bottom there is a headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB port and a speaker grill. And there is nothing on the top of the device. On the left side of the device there is a SIM card tray in which you can insert 2 dual SIM or 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. On the right side there is a volume rocker key and a power key. Talking about the fingerprint sensor, it works really well and unlocks the phone instantly. This phone is running on Android 8.0 Oreo and also Emui 8.0 out of the box. And you get about 22.83GB storage free out of 32GB storage. There are few applications pre-installed like Facebook, Instagram and Messenger, and if you want you can uninstall them. Honor 9 Lite has 13+2 megapixel camera sensor on the back and on the front as well, which means you can click portrait pictures from the back camera as well as from the front camera. Talking about camera interface, you get bunch of modes and various levels of beauty mode. Shutter speed is also pretty good and you can also shoot time-lapse video from the stock camera. The device is very compact, lightweight and easy to carry because of its full view display and very minimum bezels on the sides. For comparison, let me get my Moto G5s Plus. Keeping both the devices side by side, you would be able to see Honor looks much more premium, and despite having bigger display, it's more compact. I have taken few sample shots after first boot of the device. So far the camera looks pretty good. I will also do a comprehensive camera review for this device, and also I will be comparing this device with another devices in this price range. So stay tuned for that and hit that like button and subscribe button as well. That's it for this video guys. If you have any question or suggestion, leave them in the comment section, and thanks for watching.